Welcome to Cambodian School. Today we are learning lesson 16 from Siev Pheuv Rien An textbook by Setharin. Lesson 16 in Khmer we sayមេរៀនទី16. It's on page 19. In this lesson we are learning the next consonant. It is consonant naw, and we're learning to combine it with the vowels that we have learned so far. So before we start reading these words and phrases, please note of this raw inside this parenthesis here. It is silent. It is here to represent the word behind it. Okay? So now let's read these words and phrases by first saying the consonant, the vowels, and then the word. Okay? Let's read them together. Naw sra na, naw sra ne, naw sra nei, naw sra ne, naw sra ne, naw sra no, naw sra no, naw sra nua, naw sra na, naw sra nua, naw sra nia, naw sra ne, naw sra nai, naw sra nei, naw sra nào, naw sra nào. Bò sra bố, naw sra na, có sra kia, đò sra đầy, bồ na kia đầy, which mean bồ na lowers the earth. Okay, which represent this picture here. So this picture reads Bona kia đầy. Bona is the name of this boy. He levels the earth. Okay, so Bona kia đầy means Bona levels the earth. Okay, so let's look at this in more detail. Again, here is the consonant naw. It is the first series consonant. Okay, now let's practice reading these words by saying the consonant, the vowels, and then the word. Okay, so naw sra na, naw sra ne, naw sra nei, naw sra ne, naw sra ne, naw sra no, naw sra no, naw sra nua, naw sra na, naw sra nua, naw sra nia, naw sra ne, naw sra nai, naw sra nei, naw sra nào, and naw sra nào. So here is the consonant naw with all the vowels that we have learned so far, along with the phrase that we just learned. Okay, so in this section we are learning to say the consonant, the sound of the vowels, and then the word. Okay, let's say it together. Start with naw. Naw a na, naw e ne, naw a nei, naw ne, naw ne, naw no, naw no, naw nua, naw na, naw nua, naw nia, naw ne, naw nai, naw nei, naw nào, naw nào. Bò bố, naw na, có kia, đò đầy, bồ na kia đầy. Now let's read these words without pronouncing them or sounding them. Okay, so naw, na, ne, nei, nè, nờ, no, no, nua, nở, nưa, nia, nế, nái, nấy, nào, não. Bồ ná kia đầy. Now let's look at some of the vocabularies in this lesson. We only have a few of those. Okay. So the first one being na, which mean what, which, what kind of. Okay. The next one is nai, which mean to explain, instruct, guide, or advise. Okay. Now then the phrase that we just learned also is Bona kia đầy. Okay, which means Bona levels the earth. Again, Bona is the name of the boy. Okay, so lesson 16 in Khmer we sayមេរៀនទី16. It's on page 19, and 19 in Khmer we say 19. Okay, so page 19 we say ទំព័រទី19. Now please get out a piece of paper and a pencil so that we can learn how to write the consonant naw and combining it with all the vowels that we have learned so far, okay? So first, let's write naw. Naw, you start with an inside circle, okay, then up, right, down, up a little bit, down, up a little bit, right, and down. Okay, so make sure the left leg, the right leg are even along with the center. Okay, the same thing at the top as well. All right, so this is naw. Okay, now we're going to write naw with all the vowels that we have learned. Okay, so start with na. Naw sra na. Okay, so start with inside circle, naw. Okay, now sra a. Na. Okay, now write neck. Nó, sra e, neck. Okay, now write nay. Nó, sra ấy, nay. Now write nợ. Nó sra nợ. Okay, now sra nợ. Now write nơ. Nó sra nơ. Sra nơ. Now write nộ. Nó sra nộ. Okay. No. Now write no. Nó sra no. Okay. All right. That write sra nua. Nó sra nua. Okay. Okay. Now let's write na. Nó sra na. Okay. Now let's write nơ. Nưa. Excuse me. Nưa. Nó sra nưa. Okay. Okay, nưa. Okay. Now write nia. Nó sra nia. Okay. Now write ne. Nó sra ne. Okay, so we have the a here, then na. Okay, ne. Now write nai. Nó sra I nai. So we write the I first. Okay, then na. Nai. Now let's write nai. Nó sra I nai. Here's the I. And then na. Nai. Let's write now. Nó sra now. Now. Finally, let's write now. Nó sra now. Okay. Now, for your assignment, say na and write it 10 times, okay? And for this word, Na, ne, nay, all the way through now. Okay, say it and write 2 times each. Okay, so now let's review what we have learned. Lesson 16. In Khmer we sayមេរៀនទី16. It's on page 19. In Khmer we say ទំព័រទី19. In this lesson we have learned the next consonant. It is consonant naw, and we have learned to combine it with the vowels that we have learned so far. Okay, now let's read these words and phrases. Okay, let's read together. Na, ne, nay, n, nơ, no, no, nua, nở, nứa, nĩa, nế, nái, náy, náo, nau. Bồ ná kia đầy. This picture reads Bồ ná kia đầy, which means Bồ ná levels the earth. Bồ ná is the name of this boy. Okay, so he levels the earth. Okay, so we have now completed lesson 16. I'm Alai. For more info or feedback, please visit Cambodian School of San Francisco. Thanks.